A roof issue has a way of getting your attention fast. Maybe it's a small leak you notice after a storm, or shingles that don't look quite right when you pull into the driveway. Either way, the big question comes up immediately. How serious is this, and what's it going to cost? That's why getting a fast roof repair estimate St. George homeowners can depend on makes such a difference. When something feels urgent, you don't want to wait days just to understand what you're dealing with. But fast shouldn't mean rushed or incomplete. A good estimate looks at the obvious damage and the surrounding areas that could be affected, so you're not surprised later. People often search for the average St. George roof repair price, but every roof tells a different story. The slope, materials, age, and how long the issue has been there all play a role. A missing shingle caught early is very different from moisture that's been working its way underneath for months. The sooner the condition is clearly evaluated, the more control you have over the outcome. Cost also connects to timing. Small issues tend to stay small only if they're addressed early. Waiting can lead to interior damage, insulation problems, and even structural concerns. That's when St. George Affordable Emergency Roof Repair becomes essential. Quick action helps limit the chain reaction that water intrusion can cause. At the same time, homeowners deserve clarity. An affordable roofing quote St. George residents feel good about should outline exactly what's being fixed and why. It should also explain if the repair extends the roof's life or if you're approaching the point where bigger decisions make sense. That's where a full estimate for roof repairs or replacement St. George homeowners receive becomes valuable beyond just numbers. It gives perspective. Is this a localized issue? Is the rest of the roof in solid shape? Are there signs of wear that suggest planning ahead? When these questions are answered clearly, it removes a lot of uncertainty. Roofing problems feel stressful mostly because of the unknowns. Once you understand the condition, the options, and the realistic cost, it becomes a practical decision instead of a worrying one. Having solid information quickly allows you to protect your home without second-guessing every step. And that peace of mind is what really matters. Contact us now for more info on how we can help you. 435-900-8207.